Hello students, welcome in Rathod classes. Today we are going to start our lesson topic 6, life processes in living organisms. In this part we are going to learn about cell division. What is cell division? About that we had learned in previous class. Division means divide in two parts or many parts. Basically there are two types of cell division. What are that are mitosis and meiosis. सेल डिव्हिजन हे दोन प्रकारे घडतं. ते दोन प्रकार कुठले तर एक मायटॉसिस, दुसरा मिओसिस. व्हॉट इज मायटॉसिस अँड व्हॉट इज मिओसिस? Mitosis means it is a division of cell into two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the parent cell. मायटॉसिस मध्ये काय होतं, दोन डॉटर सेल्स तयार होतात आणि ते काय असतात, जेनेटिकली आयडेंटिकल टू पॅरेंट सेल. सेकंड, मिओसिस is the division of germ cell into four sex cells or eggs or sperms, each with a half number of the chromosomes of the parent cell. आपल्याला माहिती आहे मेलचे फिमेलचे दोघांची जर आपण बेरीज केली तर डबल होतं, पण त्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, त्यांचं हाफ होतं. त्यांचं काय होतं, हाफ होतं. अर्धे मेल अर्धे फिमेल आणि दोघांचं मिळून काय होतं, एक एग्ज किंवा स्पर्म्स या ठिकाणी क्रोमोझोम्स तयार होतात. मीन्स इज द डिव्हिजन ऑफ जर्म सेल. डिव्हिजन ऑफ जर्म सेल म्हणजे ज्यापासून प्रोडक्शन होतं ते सेल इंटू फोर सेक्स सेल्स, एक्झाम्पल एग्ज ऑर स्पर्म्स, इच विथ हाफ नंबर, हाफ म्हणजे अर्धे, ऑफ द क्रोमोझोम्स ऑफ द पॅरेंट सेल. आता आपण पाहणार मायटॉसिस. The process of mitosis takes place in a somatic cell. The somatic cell म्हणजे कसले सेल? The cell responsible for body characters. And the process of mitosis takes place by the steps like karyokinesis, cytokinesis. आणि आता कॅरियोकायनेसिस म्हणजे काय? What is karyokinesis? The process of cell division takes place in a nucleus. And cytokinesis, the process of cell division takes place in the cytoplasm. Karyokinetics, karyo means nucleus. Kinesis, the process of division of cell from the nucleus of the cell, that is said to be the karyokinesis. And the process of cell division in cytoplasm. Cyto means cytokinesis, division. Kinesis means division and cyto means cytoplasm मध्ये होणारं जे डिव्हिजन आहे त्याला म्हणायचं आपण सायटोकायनासिस. आता कॅरियोकायनासिस, दिस स्टेप इन्व्हॉल्व फोर स्टेजेस. कॅरियोकायनासिस मध्ये काय होतात, एकूण 4 स्टेजमध्ये हे कॅरियोकायनासिस होतं. कुठलं? प्रोफेस, मेटाफेस, एनाफेस. The process of karyokinesis takes place by 4 steps, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Then this is the stage of prophase. Here we have to see step by step what is prophase. Here the first stage of mitosis is a प्रोफेस. म्हणजे मायटॉसिसची पहिली जी स्टेज आहे, पहिली जी स्टेप आहे त्याला म्हणायचं प्रोफेस. प्रो मीन्स फर्स्ट, फेस मीन्स स्टेज. हियर द कंडेन्सेशन ऑफ थिन अँड थ्रेड लाईक क्रोमोझोम्स इज स्टार्टेड अँड appear in the specific shape. We know chromosomes are invisible, thread like, but here what happen, condensation takes place and they are able to appear in a specific shape. Then the process of condensation of thread like chromosome is the process because of that it becomes short and thick, and after that it appear along with their pair of sisters chromatids and duplicate the centriole and each centriole goes opposite to the pole. बघा, what happened here? Chromosomes are there, and that chromosomes are start to condense and appear in a particular shape. And next step is what happen? This centriole. Basically, in the cell, only one centriole is there, but here the duplication of centriole is taken place here, and these centrioles are goes away from each other towards the opposite pole. Then basically in there is only one centriole. By prophase, duplicate centriole is produced, and each centriole goes away from each other towards the pole of the cell. Then at the nuclear membrane, nucleus start to disappear. ह्या न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन मध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे फ्लुइड प्रेझेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस, दॅट इज सेड टू बी द nuclear or outermost covering. Sorry, the fluid is bounded. The fluid present in the nucleus is bounded by nuclear membrane, and that nuclear membrane start to disappear. Means what? The nuclear outermost covering of nucleus is start to disappear. By this, condensed chromosomes comes in a cytoplasm, and the process of prophase is completed here. I remind, the chromosomes are start to condense, able to visible, take a particular shape. Simultaneously, the centrioles present in the nuclear cell duplicate himself, and both are goes away from each other towards the pole, and nucleoplasm is start to disappear, and the chromosomes are entered into the cytoplasm. Next step is a metaphase. Next step is a metaphase. And in metaphase, what happen? The second step of the metaphase is the metaphase. Second stage is the mitosis, is the metaphase. Here the nuclear membrane is totally disappear. बघा या ठिकाणी आपल्याला न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन दिसतं का इथं? नाही. There is no nuclear membrane, and the thread-like chromosomes condense, and dumbbell-shaped structure of chromosome is formed, and they appear clearly with their sister chromatids. The chromosomes are arranged in the equatorial planes. This equatorial plane. This is the equatorial plane. They are arranged, and it is peculiar characteristics of metaphase. By observing the slide of metaphase and observe the chromosomes in the equatorial plane, we can see clearly this slide of the metaphase. Then here these dotted lines, this dotted line shows in a diagrams are a spindle fibers. These dotted lines are of spindle fiber appear from centrioles. This is the centriole. This is the centriole, appeared from centriole and centromere. And what are spindle fibers? Then it is a protein fiber. Since spindle fiber is a protein fiber, and here the metaphase is completed. Next one, anaphase. This is the third stage. Here centromere split and sister chromatids of chromosomes separate, and each sister chromatid fiber separated. Sister chromatids are called as daughter sisters, and chromatids, because of splitting centromere, sister chromatids separate and daughter sister chromatids are produced. What happened here? Here centromere split. This centromere is split and chromatids of chromosomes separate. Chromosomes get separate and each sister chromatids, these sister chromatids are get separate. Sister chromatids fiber separated. Sister chromatids are called daughter, and these are said to be the daughter sister chromatids. And because of splitting centromere sister chromatids separate and daughter sister chromatids is produced. Here daughter sister chromatids are produced, and it is also called as a reverse prophase. This is also called as a reverse prophase. What is telophase? This is the fourth stage of the mitosis, and it is also called the reverse prophase. म्हणजे prophase as like in the prophase, whatever activities, whatever stages are occurred in the prophase, that towards that telophase is goes. Here chromosomes move to the opposite pole. Chromosomes move to the opposite pole and produce two different sets of chromosomes. What is here? Here chromosomes move to the opposite of pole and produce two different set of chromosomes. Here one set of chromosome, second set of chromosome, and both are goes away from each other. And here in this phase, when chromosomes are reached to opposite pole, when these chromosomes are reached to opposite pole, here chromosomes start to decondense. In prophase what happen? Condense. They are broad, thick and visible. Here decondense means they are start to invisible, and reached decondense, convert into thread like thin structure and start to disappear just like prophase. So it is called as reverse prophase. The question is asked like here, why the telophase is said to be the reverse prophase? Here answer is here. The chromosomes start to decondense, convert into thread-like thin structure and start to disappear just like prophase. So it is called reverse prophase. Nuclear membrane around the chromosome start to appear. In prophase what happen? Nuclear membrane start to disappear. Here nuclear membrane start to appear. Because of nuclear membrane around this, we got two different set of chromosomes are found. Here around this chromosomes, two nuclear membrane is produced, and because of production of nuclear membrane, two different nucleus are produced, and in anaphase cytoplasm we get two different set of nucleus, and single nucleus is split into two nucleus, and by prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase the process of cell division is completed. And remember here, spindle fiber disappear and nuclear membrane formed as opposite to the prophase. What happened here? Nuclear membrane is produced, cytoplasm is separated, and the thread like chromosomes are get disappeared. Here the whatever processes takes place in a prophase, opposite of that processes are takes place in telophase. So what it is said to be the reverse process of prophase. Next one is the anaphase. What is anaphase? Here because of spindle fiber the spindle fiber produced between centromere and centriole, and centromere is also pulled towards the centrioles. The centromeres is also pulled towards the centrioles, and after pulling the looks like a bunch of banana here, and slowly the daughter chromosomes are moved towards the centrioles and appear like bunch of banana, and this is the peculiar characteristics of anaphase, and there is the end of anaphase here. As like this is the bunch of banana, as like this takes place in a anaphase. Here, because of spinal fiber, the spindle fiber produced between the centromeres and centrioles, and the centromeres is also pulled towards the centrioles, and after pulling the looks like bunch of banana, and slowly the daughter chromatids are moved towards the centrioles and appear like a bunch of banana. This is the peculiar characteristics of anaphase, and here the process of anaphase takes place. Then cytokinesis, this is the next step of the cell division. Here cell with the two nucleus is formed during the end of prophase of telophase, prophase to telophase. Here what happened, I gave the additional explanation of anaphase there. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, these are four stages. After these processes, what happened, cell next division is cytokinesis, and this is the next stage of cell division, and cell with the nucleus is formed during the end of process of telophase, and slowly each nucleus, here is one nucleus, here is one nucleus, and each nucleus trying to go away. This nucleus is trying to go this side, and this nucleus is trying to goes this side. They start to goes away from each other, and notch or groove is formed. This is the groove. Notch or groove is formed at the center. This goes here, this side, this goes this side, and groove is started to here, and the cell and cytoplasms divide into two parts. This cell and the cytoplasm present in that cell are divided in a two parts, and the groove start to increase. This groove start to increase, and both nucleus get separated, and we get two different cells. After that, it gets separate. This group gets detached, and this cell gets separate. This cell gets separate with cytoplasm and nucleus. Here the prophase is complete. Here the process of prophase is complete. As like animal cell division is also takes place in a plant cell, but here what happen in a plant? In a plant cell, instead of groove or notch, plate is appear at the center of a cell, and from that place the cell organelles are divided into same amount stretch, and cell is divided. Suppose this is the animal cell, nucleus, other parts, in between plates. Plate is appear at the center part of cell, and all cell organelles are divided in these two parts. Half nucleus separate. The cell organelles are separated into two parts and that get stretched and cell get separated by plates, and in this way cell is divided in a plants. Here we stop, and best of luck to you all. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.